what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making delicious hot wings along with some lemon pepper wings because I didn't want hot wings. So we're going to be doing all of these wings at the same time in our Ninja Foodi grill using the air fryer basket. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the links for all of that in the description box. If I'm missing something, let me know. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to make next. This is still a new device, so I'm looking for any comments, any recommendations of what we can try next. But let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so what we have here is about 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. I separated them just because I want lemon pepper wings, so I'm going to be doing lemon pepper, and we have we're going to do hot wings here. So what we're going to need to start is half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. You guys, you can add salt and pepper to your liking. This is just what I'm doing for the hot wings. And you just mix it in there. And you guys, SoCal is going through a heat wave right now, so that's why I'm not using my bowl. I'm trying to minimize the amount of time I am in the kitchen. So I'm just mixing it. You can mix it with a fork. Actually, let me get a fork here. Make it easier here. And then what I have here is just my oil sprayer. I'm using avocado oil, and I'm just going to add about 5 or 6 sprays there and mix it up. Okay, then we can add our seasoning, and again mix it up here. I'm just going to add a little bit more seasoning, and you could decide to use all or some of it. That's the beauty of it. You can also use your favorite wing seasoning, and there's just so many things out there, but to be quick because it's hot, we're going to be doing this. Alright, so I used about half of the seasoning there, and it looks pretty coated. So I'm going to just put this to the side and bring over my little lemon wings here. And I'm just going to spray them, about 2 sprays. A lot less of them, right? And I'm using Lawrys lemon pepper seasoning here. Alright, and I have about half a teaspoon. Alright, just going to mix it up. I like putting it in the plastic bag just because I don't have to touch it, and I can mix all the seasoning around. Alright, so let's bring out our grill and start preheating. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and turn on our grill. Select air crisp, and we're going to use 350 for 20 minutes. I have our air crisper basket in there with the base pan, and that's what we're using today. Alright, so we'll wait for it to preheat all the way and let us know when it's time to add food, and we'll get started. Alright, so it's time to add our chicken wings. I'm going to go ahead and lift the lid here and add them in. I guess we can use... Alright, let's do this. This is 2 pounds of chicken wings, and just look at that, you guys. Lemon pepper over here. And look at that. 2 pounds of chicken wings. Actually, you can lay it flat, all of them, without overcrowding it in the basket. So let's go ahead and at the halfway mark, that's where we can turn them. Alright, so we're at the halfway mark, and oh, they look so good. We're just gonna flip them around so that it can cook evenly all around. Okay, last one. Alright, we'll let it finish up and we'll be back. Alright guys, so there's about 3 minutes left, and I'm just checking the wings just to see how they're doing. Looks like they're way past 165. We're at like 170, 180 here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to bring out my lemon pepper as well as the hot chicken wings, and we're going to put them in a bowl with 3/4 cups of some Frank's Red Hot sauce, and then we can put them back in there to make them crispy. Alright, so let me bring out mine and we'll get started. Alright, so I have all of the wings in the bowl, and I'm just going to add hot sauce. Now, if you like wet hot wings, you can certainly just add the hot sauce, stir it up, and eat them that way. Or you could crisp it up and have some crispy hot wings with the hot sauce crisped onto it, because it really just adds flavor and it adds a little bit better of a texture. So, I'm just stirring them in there, getting them coated up with the hot sauce. And then we're going to add them back to our air fryer. So the lemon pepper are already done. I'm just adding these back to the air crisper here. And we're going to let it finish up with those last 3 minutes. Alright. Look. Nice and crisp on. So we're going to go ahead and bring them out and take a closer look. Alright, and there we have it. We have our crispy hot wings, and we have our lemon pepper wings. And this was just for me. But there's the crispy hot wings. Let's see if we can do it. Look at that gorgeous orange and red colors there. But that's it, you guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi Grower XL videos coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. And let me know in the comments what you guys want me to make next. But until next time, you guys have a great night.